Hey guys, this is Joshua from SafeFood Pro, and today I'm going to be showing you the basics of how to use SafeFood Pro on the mobile app. So once you've downloaded the app from the Google Play Store or App Store, log into the app using the email address you set up for your device. And once you have logged in, you'll be prompted to create a PIN and signature. This will act as your digital signature for when you fill out forms and you're ready to complete them. So once you've done all that, you'll then see the diary page. And this is where you'll find your daily, weekly, and monthly tasks, such as your daily temperature checks, opening and closing checks, as well as pest checks. So these are checks that need to be done regularly, so make sure you're keeping on top of them. Obviously, there are other checks that also need to be done, and these are found in the ad hoc form library. By clicking the green plus icon in the bottom right hand corner, you'll be able to see these. If you have a scroll through, you'll see this is where you find your training forms, troubleshooting forms, and delivery forms for when you receive a delivery. These are super crucial to keeping your food safety records, so be sure to fill them out when you need to. If there are any forms in the list that you use more often than others, such as receiving a delivery, you can tap the star icon to have it show at the top of the list. This might save you some time scrolling through all of the other forms as well. Now that you know how to find your forms, let's get to filling them. Filling out a form is as simple as tapping on the check you'd like to complete, and from there, answering the required questions. If you run into anything noteworthy while filling out the form, say for instance there are pests in the kitchen, you can create a blue note. This is to log what actions need to be taken. After filling some of the questions, you can email the form directly from this page by tapping the envelope icon in the upper right hand corner. Just enter the email address and hit send. Once you have filled out all of the required questions, you can save the form. Otherwise, it'll be saved as a draft. Easy as that. You can tell a form has been fully completed because of the grey tick, whereas a draft will have an orange circle instead. Now, let's try and fill out a delivery form. Firstly, click the green plus icon to view your ad hoc forms, then select the receiving a delivery form. Fill out all of the details that you can. If you don't have all of the information at the time, you can save it as a draft. Now, once you do have more information and want to complete the rest of the form, you can head to your saved forms page. Just hit the menu button in the top right hand corner, click Save Forms to view all forms completed and uncompleted in your account over the past year, either by you or the rest of the team, and then select the form you're looking for. If you want to see a certain type of form, you can also filter the forms by category by tapping the filter icon. From here, let's tap on the receiving a delivery form that we weren't able to complete. We can tell the delivery form hasn't been completed yet because of the orange circle next to it. Let's click on it and fill it out with the rest of the information and sign it off with our PIN. One last feature that could be handy for you is our messaging feature. If you need to communicate with your admin or just need to send updates to the whole team, click the Messages tab and type out your message. When you're ready, hit send. Now, this message will be sent to all other users in your account. This should hopefully have given you some idea as to how you can log in and use SafeFood Pro on the mobile app. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know at the email address below. See you next time.